Hello guys, today we are going to discuss the remaining portion of the topic fraction. Here in this video, we will discuss the remaining two types of the fraction. These are mixed fractions and equivalent fractions. Let's define the first, that is mixed fraction. So, mixed fraction is a combination of natural number and fraction. It is basically an improper fraction. It can be represented as shown here and can be read as 2 ratio 1 by 3. Let's explain this definition in detail. 2 ratio 1 by 3 means 2 plus 1 by 3. Here 2 is an integer and 1 by 3 is fraction. So mixed fraction is combination of an integer and a fraction. 2 ratio 1 by 3 means 2 whole object plus 1 by 3 part of an object. Also 2 ratio 1 by 4 can be represented as shown here. The second line of definition, that is, it is basically an improper fraction, means mixed fraction can be converted into improper fraction as shown here. 2 ratio 1 by 3 can be converted into 7 by 3. Let's see how. So to convert 2 ratio 1 by 3, which is a mixed fraction, into an improper fraction, we multiply 2, which is written inside, with 3, which is denominator, and 1 will be added to the result to find the numerator, and denominator will be written as it is. So after converting the mixed fraction 2 ratio 1 by 3 into an improper fraction, we get the answer 7 by 3. Mixed fraction is always greater than 1. As per the definition of mixed fraction is combination of an integer and a fraction. From that definition, we conclude that mixed fraction will always be greater than 1. And since mixed fraction can be converted into improper fraction, so mixed fraction and improper fraction both are greater than 1. Also, improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction, means 7 by 3 can be converted into 2 ratio 1 by 3. Let's see how. So, to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, we divide the numerator by denominator and we get a quotient and remainder. Quotient will be written inside, remainder will be written at the top, and divisor will be written at the bottom, and we find a mixed fraction. As shown in the above example, we divided 7 by 3 and we got 2 as a quotient, 1 as a remainder. 2 has been written inside, 1 will be written as numerator and 3 as denominator. Let's take one more example of conversion of an improper fraction into mixed fraction. 7 by 5, which is an improper fraction, can be converted into mixed fraction 1 ratio 2 upon 5. Let's see how. For this conversion, we divide 7 by 5 and we will get 1 as quotient and 2 as remainder. Quotient 1 will be written inside, 2 will be written at the top, and 5 will be written at the bottom. So we will get 1 ratio 2 upon 5. So we can conclude that improper fraction and mixed fraction are interconvertible. Let's move to our next topic, that is equivalent fraction. Fractions which have different numerator and denominators but are equal to same value are called equivalent fractions. For example, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8 and 5 by 10 all are equivalent fraction and represent the same quantity, that is 1 by 2. Let's visualize how. they all are have equal values. See, what does 2 by 4 means? 2 by 4 means you have taken a square and you cut it in 4 equal parts, then you have filled 2 parts out of 4. Now, what does 3 by 6 means? 3 by 6 means you have taken a same square and you cut it in 6 equal parts. Out of these 6, you have filled 3 parts. You can see that in both the square, filled parts are equal and both are the half part of the total area of the square. So 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6 and both are equal to 1 by 2. So 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 1 by 2 are equivalent fractions. Similarly, to represent 4 by 8, we take a square and divide it into 8 equal parts, and out of 8, 4 will be filled and 5 by 10 will be represented by taking a square, dividing it into 10 equal parts, and out of 10, 5 will be filled. Also here, as can be seen, 4 by 8 and 5 by 10 both represent the half area of the total area of the square. So both are equal to 1 by 2. So 4 by 8, 5 by 10 and 1 by 2, all three are equivalent fractions. We have already seen that 2 by 4 and 3 by 6 are equal to 1 by 2, and we have recently seen that 4 by 8 and 5 by 10 are equal to 1 by 2. So all 5 fractions are equivalent fraction. So this was all about the topics equivalent fractions and mixed fraction. The remaining portion of the topic fraction will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.